Good afternoon, everyone. This is a window that came out of my window frame. Probably some of you are wondering why this is sitting up against my wall. This is an HF radio and a Pactor modem. Over here is an antenna cable. And if you look over on this corner, the antenna cable is going through my window to the outside. So what is this? It looks like beveled glass. This is Lexan. It's unbreakable polycarbonate, clear material. So let's go back a little bit. Back in the fall of 2020, I needed to replace the windows in my house. During that process, I asked for additional blanks on the slider side here. So this piece I ordered without any glass in it, in addition to the one that I already have, which is made out of glass. Within the last few hours, I have installed this Lexan into the window frame. So it is secure. You can't push it, can't break it. You could probably cut it or drill it, but the point is that antenna cable is going through the window while the hot weather, the cold weather, rain, insects, wind, dust are staying out of my house. Eventually this will be sealed with a grommet so that the elements and insects do not get through here. This is a fully functioning window. Over here, as you can see, the latch works just fine, just like a regular window. But it's temporary. The temporary nature of this window allows for me to put that antenna cable outside, and as I suggested earlier, that is going to prevent a lot of things from getting into my house when I'm using this radio. Now, when I leave, all I need to do, if I leave my house, is pick up this window and put it in place of this one and drop the cable. It's that simple. So, for an extended period of time, I can utilize my radio while I'm around the house without having to worry about this window being open to get the cable outside of the house where the antenna is located. So that's it. Pretty simple. When I ordered the windows, the people who I ordered them from asked me some questions about why am I ordering window blanks. But then when I explained it to them, there was an aha moment.